Page number 431, ready, start. It was also submitted that the findings of the appellate court were perverse and based on misreading of evidence. Stop para. After considering the submissions of counsel for the appellant and perusing the record, I find no infirmity in the findings recorded by the lower appellate court. Stop. It has been held in so and so that the consent decree, not based on pre-existing title of the plaintiff, was not admissible in evidence and could not affect the title to an immovable property in absence of registration. Stop. Moreover, it has been rightly held that in spite of the said decree, will dated 11 June 1975 was alleged to have been executed by the deceased, which showed that the decree was a sham transaction. Stop. From the circumstances of the case and evidence on record, findings has already and rightly been given that the decree was obtained by exercise of undue influence or duly pleaded, and recruitment of Order 6 Rule 4 CPC are fully satisfied. Stop. The judgments relied on by the counsel for the appellant has no application. Stop. The will dated 9 August 1974 in favor of the plaintiff was perfectly valid and there was no suspicious circumstances regarding the same. Stop. Will dated 11 June 1975 has been rightly rejected having regard to the suspicious circumstances, including the evidence of the doctor attending on the deceased. Stop para. For the above reasons, there is no merit in this appeal. Questions sought to be raised by the appellant are decided against the appellant and the appeal is dismissed. Stop paragraph. Patiala Improvement Trust, Patiala and others respondents. Full stop. Civil writ petition number 11390 of 1992. Stop paragraph. Auction sale improvement trust. No bid or auction is final till it is approved and till the allotment letter is issued in favor of highest bidder. Punjab Town Improvement Act 1922 within bracket 4 of 1922. Stop paragraph. Punjab Town Improvement Act 1922 within bracket 4 of 1922. Auction sale mere acceptance of the bid at the public auction does not give a vested right in favor of the auction purchaser unless that offer is further accepted by the competent authority, which is the present case was the trust and as well as the chairman. Stop paragraph. Shri Kartar Singh, son of Shri Ujagar Singh, earlier filed a writ petition against the Patiala Improvement Trust, but subsequently Sarv Shri Satnam Singh and Balvinder Singh were added as respondents as they were the auction purchasers at the subsequent auction. Stop. At one point of time, wide order dated 15 March 1993, the Honorable Single Judge of his court allowed the writ petition and the resolution of the trust to offer shop cum flats sites number 1 and 2 in Shahid Seva Singh Thikriwala Nagar scheme to the petitioner after getting 2,85,000 each, and it was also directed that the possession be delivered to the petitioner by the trust after completing all the legal formalities. Stop. Yet this order dated 15 March 1993 was set aside by the Honorable Division Bench, and the observations of the Honorable Division Bench can be reproduced as follows. Stop paragraph. During the course of hearing of the writ petition, it appears that respondent writ petitioners offered higher price, and the learned single judge accepted the said offer and directed the appellant trust to sell both these plots to the respondent writ. Stop.